My name is Rahdric C, financial advisor, founder of the Goods Virtual World, and welcome to Good Wealth. Right now, you are stepping inside our state-of-the-art virtual corporate headquarters for financial intelligence, advisor development, and institutional-level learning. This is not traditional test prep. This is not a stack of outdated PDFs, memorization drills, or generic lectures designed to help you barely survive an exam. This system was built differently. At Good Wealth, we believe financial education should mirror the intensity, precision, and strategic thinking of the real industry itself. Because in today's environment of market volatility, economic uncertainty, and rapidly evolving regulation, the standard of good enough has disappeared. Clients no longer want order takers. They want strategists who can navigate uncertainty with clarity and confidence. That is what these modules are designed to build. As you move through this Series 6 program, you are going to notice something immediately. We slow complex concepts down. We explain why the system exists. We show you how the questions are engineered. And most importantly, we teach you how elite financial professionals actually think in the real world. Most people fail financial exams because they try to memorize information they do not truly understand. But in today's complex financial landscape, simply passing is not the goal. Mastery is the only protection for your clients and your career. At the Goods Virtual World, we have analyzed thousands of financial scenarios, case studies, and behavioral patterns to distill the exact characteristics that separate high-performing advisors from the rest of the industry. Because the truth is this: the best advisors are not the people who memorize the most information. They are the people who understand structure. Inside these modules, you'll learn how to think through risk capacity, capital preservation, liquidity asset allocation, behavioral finance, loss aversion, suitability, fiduciary duty, and institutional decision-making. You are not just learning how to answer questions. You are learning how to sit across from a real client and make intelligent decisions under pressure, with confidence and precision. We've distilled these modules from years of institutional-grade thinking and real-world financial strategy to ensure you are not simply learning facts, you are developing professional intuition. And to make this process easier to understand and retain, this program is structured into 3 distinct phases. First, we master the regulatory foundation. This is where you learn the rules, laws, account structures, and compliance framework that governs the industry. Second, we analyze product architecture. This is where we break down mutual funds, variable products, retirement accounts, taxation, portfolio mechanics, and how financial products actually function beneath the surface. Finally, we execute elite suitability and decision-making. This is where everything comes together: behavioral finance, client psychology, risk analysis, real-world case structures, and high-stakes financial decision-making. Because this is not about becoming someone who can simply pass a test. This is about becoming someone capable of thinking clearly inside one of the most complex industries in the world. As you move through this experience, you'll encounter real-world examples, institutional terminology, exam-style questions, behavioral analysis, application drills, and high-level financial concepts translated into plain language. This is where academic finance meets real-world execution. And while the Series 6 exam may be your immediate objective, the larger mission is helping you build a foundation capable of scaling into Series 7, CFP, wealth management, financial planning, business ownership, and eventually true financial leadership. So slow down. Do not rush the process. You do not need to memorize everything immediately. You need to understand the structure. Because once you understand the structure, the answers become obvious. We will move from legal foundations to product mechanics to high-stakes decision-making. Welcome to Good Wealth. Welcome to the Goods Virtual World. And welcome to a different way of learning finance.